Have you ever wondered how big the universe really is? From the tiniest building blocks of matter to the largest cosmic structures spanning billions of light years, our universe is a masterpiece of scale and complexity. In this journey, we will take a mind-bending voyage starting from the smallest known particles, zooming out through planets, stars, and galaxies, all the way to the vast cosmic web that defines the structure of the universe. So, buckle up as we embark on an awe-inspiring adventure across scales, revealing the unimaginable size and intricacy of the cosmos. Our journey begins at the smallest scales deep within the fabric of reality itself. Everything we see, from the device you're watching this on to the distant stars in the sky, is made up of atoms. These minuscule particles are just 0.1 nanometers, across so tiny that 10 million of them could fit across the width of a human hair. But atoms themselves are not fundamental. They are composed of even smaller subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Going deeper, we find that protons and neutrons are made of quarks, elementary particles bound together by the strong nuclear force. Alongside quarks, the electron, a fundamental particle, orbits the atomic nucleus, giving matter its structure. Yet, at this scale, reality behaves strangely. The quantum world defies intuition. Particles can exist in multiple places at once, and uncertainty rules over position and momentum. But, can we go even smaller? The answer leads us to the Planck scale, the limit of our understanding of space and time, where gravity and quantum mechanics merge. Here, space itself may be made up of tiny vibrating strings, as suggested by string theory. But now, let's zoom out and return to the familiar world around us. Moving up in scale, we reach the human level. The average human stands about 1.7 meters tall, far greater than the microscopic realm, but still minuscule compared to the vastness of space. A single step may seem insignificant, but compared to an atom, that step is an enormous leap, 100 billion times the width of a hydrogen atom. If we zoom out, we see cities, continents, and then our home, the Earth. Earth is 12,742 kilometers in diameter, a vast leap from the microscopic world. But our planet is just one of many in the solar system. Earth orbits the Sun, a star over 1.3 million times its size. The entire solar system spans about 287 billion kilometers, with planets like Jupiter being over 11 times larger than Earth. But even the Sun is just a mere speck in the cosmic ocean. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.37 light-years away. To put that into perspective, a beam of light traveling at 300 kilometers per second would take over 4 years to reach it. Our solar system resides in a much larger structure, the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy stretches over 100 light-years across and contains hundreds of billions of stars. If Earth were reduced to the size of a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be as vast as the entire Earth itself. At the heart of our galaxy lies a monstrous supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, which has a mass 4 million times that of our Sun. But the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies. The local group, a family of galaxies. The local group consists of about 54 galaxies, including our neighbor, Andromeda, which is on a collision course with the Milky Way set to merge in 4.5 billion years. Beyond our group, the Virgo supercluster. Our local group is part of an even larger structure, the Virgo supercluster, containing hundreds of galaxy clusters spanning 110 million light-years. But even that is just a fraction of the observable universe. The scale of the universe, the cosmic web, the largest structures. Galaxies form clusters, and these clusters are connected in a vast cosmic web, filaments of dark matter, and galaxies spanning billions of light-years. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years across. Yet, beyond this, there may be an infinite expanse of cosmos we cannot see. Multiverse? The limits of our knowledge. Could there be other universes beyond our own? The concept of the multiverse suggests our universe is just one of many in an endless sea of realities. As we reach the edge of what we can comprehend, we realize that the universe is not just vast, it is beyond imagination. From the tiniest particles to the grandest cosmic structures, we are part of a universe that is as mysterious as it is beautiful. Despite our small size, we are made of the same elements as the stars. In the words of Carl Sagan, we are star stuff contemplating the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the scale of the universe. Enjoy, like, share, subscribe.